Hi guys, I received a comment on my profile from STZ Revolution. It says, "Hey Duncan, I need help installing my WordPress. Yes, I do have everything, SQL, ECT, thanks, wink." Okay, so for those of you who don't know what WordPress is, if you've heard of a blog, which if you haven't, then you must be living under a rock, it basically is a blogging software. You can basically install this on your web server and basically make your own blog, and then people can see your information. Now, WordPress runs itself from PHP and MySQL. Now, the requirements of it is PHP version 4.3, MySQL version 4. So you'll need to contact your host to get the details for MySQL, because you need to have like a database name and a host and password for it, so it can install itself on your server. Now, PHP should be okay. Most servers have this, but it may be worth checking anyway. So we're now going to install WordPress. So firstly, you want to download the WordPress file. Now I've already downloaded it and extracted it. I'll provide the download link in the description. So you just extract it, and then you'll find yourself with this folder which has got all of the files for WordPress in. Now all you need to do is find this WP config sample file, double click it and open it in Notepad. And all you need to do is replace your database name, which is the MySQL details, which I was just talking about, your username, your password, and your host. That's pretty much it. And once you've done that, you need to rename this file to WP config, just like that. And then you can now upload it to your server. Now I've already uploaded mine. I renamed this WordPress folder to blog, and I've just uploaded it to my site, and it's all ready to go. So now it's in blog, so I can go to I will go to my website now, and I'm going to go www.mob3.co.uk/blog/WP-admin. So you need to go into the directory WP-admin from the site, just press enter, and hopefully it should start the installation. Here we go. WordPress, welcome to the famous 5-minute WordPress installation process. So, blog title, poo blog, your email, poo at, oh no, double check, I'll better put my actual one. I think you might need to actually do a valid one. Allow my blog to appear in search engines, so you do it for SEO. And so that's it, pretty much it. So success. Username is admin, and I've got an email now from there saying poo blog, your new WordPress poo blog is successful. Cool. So username is admin, and the password is this. So I'm just going to copy this for a second. Obviously it's just a random password, so I'll be changing that. Well, I'll probably be deleting it anyway. So all I need to do is log in, type in admin, paste the password in, remember me, log in, remember Firefox. And that is pretty much it. You're now in, and you can start writing new posts and new pages. So this is WordPress. So I'm guessing that STZ Revolution has already installed this, but this is just for those of you who don't know how to do it. It's very easy to do, as you saw. Doesn't take 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes than what they said. So that's about it really. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.